What's wrong?
I licked my lips and they have bug spray on them. Ugh, I just licked it again accidentally. This is horrible. But I love this trail, like a bunch.
I don't know. I gotta find out.
Yeah, I think it's on. Oh, it is on the bottom. I wanna go touch it. Can I put my head under it? Look at the little pine cone.
Hey, was that a bear? You sure? You sure it's not a bear? I heard a bear.
What did it sound like?
Hmm?
What did it sound like?
It sounded like that up there. It said rawr.
Very, very careful. What? Whoa! I don't know if the screen can see how beautiful this is. Look at this giant boulder. This is awesome. I can touch the waterfall from here. I can touch it here. Okay, I'm gonna switch hands so I can hold on to this wall here. This is above the ground pretty far, as you can see. There's like a stream down there. So yeah, I'm just carefully walking across. Alrighty, and I'm to the end. So excited.
I would hate to explain to your mom what happened.
I'm going very slow.
Yes, please.
Do you hear me? Now do you hear me? Oh wow. Oh, I was scared. This is as high as I can go. This is as high as I can go. It's locked off. Oh wow, I can see everything. Look at that. My legs are shaking. It's shaking. The whole thing is shaking.